ABC Kinderteach presents Benny's Pennies, written by Pat Brisson, illustrated by Bob Barner. Benny McBride had 5 new pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. "What should I buy?" he asked. Well, what could I buy with 5 pennies? Maybe a little piece of gum? Maybe. Let's see what he can buy. "Buy something beautiful," said his mom. "Buy something good to eat," said his brother. "Buy something nice to wear," said his sister. "Woof, woof," said his dog. "Meow," said his cat. All right, so Mom says buy something that's pretty, okay? And the brother wants something to eat. The sister wants something to wear, and the dog must want something for a dog, and the cat must want something for a cat. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people or animals over here, and then there's Benny. Let's see what he gets. "Okay," Benny said, "I will." So Benny McBride, with 5 new pennies, strolled, which means walk but not in a hurry, out in the morning sun. A woman was cutting roses. Her name was Mrs. Hill. "Will you sell me a rose?" asked Benny. "Will you sell me a rose for a penny?" "Yes, I will," said Mrs. Hill. The mom wanted something pretty. Okay, so he must be giving this to his mom, maybe. Then Benny McBride, with 4 new pennies and a sweet-smelling rose, strolled on in the morning sun. So, 4 pennies left, 1 rose. A girl was baking cookies. Her name was Lucy May. "Will you sell me a cookie?" asked Benny. "Will you sell me a cookie for a penny?" "A cookie for a penny, okay," said Lucy May. Okay, so the brother wanted something good to eat, so there's the cookie. All right, we've got the mom with the rose and the brother with the cookie. The sister wanted something to wear. I wonder if that's going to happen. Then Benny McBride, with 3 new pennies, a sweet-smelling rose, and a soft, warm cookie, strolled on in the morning sun. A boy was making hats. His name was Michael Bess. "Will you sell me a hat?" asked Benny. "Will you sell me a hat for a penny?" "Yes, oh yes," said Michael Bess. Okay, so that's something to wear. That's for the sister. All right, let's keep going. Then Benny McBride, with 2 new pennies, a sweet-smelling rose, a soft, warm cookie, and a fine paper hat, strolled on in the morning sun. The dog said woof woof. We don't know what that means, but dogs probably want some sort of food, right? A butcher was cutting meat. His name was Mr. Hopper. "Will you sell me a bone?" asked Benny. "Will you sell me a bone for a penny?" "You're quite a shopper," said Mr. Hopper. These are rhyming. Shopper, hopper, Benny, penny. Then Benny McBride, with 1 new penny, a sweet-smelling rose, a soft, warm cookie, a fine paper hat, and a big, meaty bone, strolled on in the morning sun. A man was catching fish. His name was Mr. Beale. Will you sell me a fish? Asked Benny. Will you sell me a fish for a penny? It's a deal, said Mr. Beale. I bet that might be for the cat, because cats like fish. Then Benny McBride, with a sweet-smelling rose, a soft, warm cookie, a fine paper hat, a big, meaty bone, and a floppy, wet fish, but no new pennies, because he used them all, strolled home in the morning sun. Oh, I bet his family's going to be so excited to see what he got. Especially the cat. I'm back, he called, and I bought what you said. It's beautiful, talking about the rose, said his mom. Good, said his brother. He's talking about the cookie. I like it, which is the paper hat, said his sister. Woof, woof, which is the bone, said his dog. Meow, said his cat. The fish. Oh, they got everything they wanted. Thank you, Benny, they all said together. You're welcome, said Benny McBride. See, rose, cookie, hat, bone, fish. We were right.